I wear a number of different hats. I'm an advisory board member on the advisory board of App4Legal, obviously. I'm an independent non-executive director as well, a tech sector angel investor, and I'm also an international general counsel in the ICT sector. I am currently based in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, and I've had an international career though encompassing UK, EU, Middle East, USA and Australasia. And as well as being a qualified lawyer, I'm also a qualified company director. I have a postgraduate accounting qualification and also an economics degree. I do wear a number of different hats. So in addition to being a lawyer, one of my other hats is that I am an independent non-executive director. So as a non-executive director, I'm the outgoing chairman of the Association of Corporate Counsel. ACC is the world's largest in-house lawyers organisation. It's got 45,000 members in 85 countries, and it's headquartered in Washington, DC in the US. Wearing all of my various hats, I have seen a fair amount of legal tech in my career, and I've even, that includes evaluating it, as a potential customer to purchase various types of systems. I've seen and evaluated a lot of practice management systems, contract lifecycle management systems, matter management systems, and so on. So that meant when I saw App4Legal for the first time, it really stood out to me because it offers a genuine one-stop shop. It offers the key features and functionalities that an in-house legal team actually needs. It is user-friendly as well, and importantly as well, it is relatively cost-effective, compared to competitors. So joining the App4Legal Advisory Board really taps into my passion for advancing the interests of the in-house legal profession and also the legal profession generally. It's very, very clear to me from my role as a non-executive director on the global board of the Association of Corporate Counsel that globally there is just this huge pent-up demand, especially in the in-house legal profession, for high-quality, cost-effective, one-stop shop legal tech like App4Legal. So I am really looking forward and excited really to play my part in helping App4Legal tap into that demand, respond to it, and to help in-house legal teams and the organisations that they serve really start to realise the efficiency and the productivity gains that legal tech has so much potential to deliver. I started my legal career in Australia working for one of the big 6 Australian commercial law firms. I worked in the areas of corporate and commercial, in competition law, in IT law, and also intellectual property law. And I spent about 6 years working in the law firm. From there, it was sort of a natural progression really to move into the telecom sector, into a role in industry, because the telecom sector was being liberalised in Australia and competition was being introduced in the early 1990s. So I actually joined the challenger, new entrant, almost a startup telecoms operator who was tasked with breaking the monopoly of the former government state-owned enterprise telecoms company. So that was really a fantastic time in my career, very enjoyable. We were tasked with opening up a really aggressively competitive new industry. The company that I worked for was actually owned by a global UK multinational telecoms group called Cable and Wireless PLC. So I ended up spending 7 years in various companies in that group, in legal, regulatory and public policy roles in Australia and also in London, ending up ultimately in a sort of corporate head office role in London. From there, I was recruited to join as a partner one of the UK's leading digital media technology law firms to set up a communications regulatory practice for them. I spent about 3 years doing that, which was very successful, but I was then headhunted to make the move to the Middle East to join Qatar Telecom as one of a small group of international expats who were brought on board to help the company expand globally and also to transform itself to get ready for liberalisation of the market in that country. So that was extremely challenging, very exciting. And from that role, that was really the result of which I was approached about my current role here in Dubai. And I was brought on board to be one of the launch team members of what was a very small project office, which we scaled up to the $3.5 billion revenue ICT giant that is now Do Telecom and Virgin Mobile in the UAE.